In this video, you'll learn how to convert Ethereum or E to Tether, nowadays USDT, on the Binance platform. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily manage your cryptocurrency assets. Start by accessing the Binance website or app. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to sign into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trade section. This can typically be found in the main menu at the top of the screen. After selecting trade, look for the option labeled convert. Clicking on this will take you to the conversion tool designed for quick asset exchanges. Next, you will need to set the asset you wish to convert. In this case, select ETH as the asset to convert. This is usually done by clicking on a drop-down menu where you can find various cryptocurrencies. Once you have selected ETH, the interface will update to reflect your choice. Now, you will need to choose USDT as the asset you wish to receive in return. Again, this can be done through a drop-down menu. After selecting USDT, you will see a field where you can enter the amount of ETH you want to convert. After entering the amount of ETH, the system will display the conversion rate. This is crucial as it allows you to see how much USDT you will receive for the ETH you are converting. Take a moment to review this information carefully. It is important to be aware of the current market rates as they can fluctuate rapidly. Once you are satisfied with the conversion rate and the amount, proceed to the next step. Now you are ready to confirm the conversion. A countdown timer will appear on the screen, indicating the time you have to finalize this transaction. It is essential to confirm the transaction before the timer runs out. Once you confirm, the transaction will be processed. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the conversion was successful. This message will assure you that the ETH has been converted to USDT. After confirming the transaction, you can check your spot wallet to see the updated USDT balance. This step ensures that the conversion has been completed and that the funds are now available in your account. If you do not see the updated balance immediately, wait a few moments as it may take some time for the transaction to reflect in your wallet. It is also advisable to regularly monitor your account for any discrepancies or issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.